Yo, what's up? This is Ampersand and today we'll be grinding to top 100 in rank. So my current rank is 479 and I will be grinding to at least 932 elo. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So I'll be fighting against Warhammer. Okay. Boom. Easy. So guys, the Warhammer works just like the Naginata but has like longer shorter range. Mm, easy. So this is easy win for us guys. Alright guys, second game with against Bold Wally. Alright, let's go. So she's 7 wins. I need to get closer. Yeah, just like that. Easy guys. That's how you do it. Okay. He's gonna ult sooner or later. Boom, easy bro. Too easy. Yeah bro, just easy. So in the first few games, it's usually very easy for me. Like 400, 500 elo is very easy. But once I get to like 700 to 800, that's where it gets like really difficult. Okay guys, last game. I should like unlock other maps as well because playing on the same map is kind of boring. Okay, Warhammer again. Okay. Usually jump attacks go. Okay, last game. One more game. Alright guys, last game. We're currently at 523. So we're like halfway there. Okay. We're playing against Lord Enderman with 26 wins, 520 elo. Alright. This will be easy for me. As long as they can parry, I can win. Alright. The core mechanic in this game is like parrying, because you can counter everything. No way. No way, bro. No way. Yeah. Just if you practice parrying, you can counter everything. Yes, because dashing. So this guy is complaining. He kinda knows how to parry. Easy, bro. This is easy. Usually, dashing and parrying is very the core mechanics of this game. This is Ampersand. See you guys in the next video.